Nice to have you here. Some of the people I've seen last year in Akureyri. It was a pleasure for me to be there, and I hope you have a same pleasant journey in the Netherlands.
But from the biological laboratory department, so that's a different background. But I have a lot of experience in doing projects with students from different backgrounds, technical and non-technical. Let's say developing in, because it wasn't in the traditional program. I don't know how it's with you, but that's how it's with us.
Education, everybody. Kids from 4 years until 12 are here. And then you have to choose. You go to pre-vocational secondary education, general secondary, or university.
To machine things, you can use the wood workshop. And for any other more specific prototyping, we can go to the Proto Lab. We're about to go there when they're finished there. Look to the right, you see a robotic arm and some electrical engineering facilities. Practice with programming the arm to make it perform tasks. Yeah, and like if there's one team that brings it all together, that uses all of the facilities to actually make things work. So you follow me?
Give a short summary. This car is built for efficiency, for a race shell eco model. That's why it's carbon fiber, that's why it's light. It's not a race car, it's not built to handle well, to go fast. It's just purely made to be very efficient.
Technical culture here in the south of Rotterdam. So people don't have the network, they don't have a lot of opportunities to become an entrepreneur. Whereas if you go to Brabant, another province here in the Netherlands, where Philips used to be, all these Philips set up shop there, like maybe 100 years ago, 150 years ago, and it branched out. So there were a lot of technical companies started growing in that region. So they want businesses to start up here in Rotterdam, and they want businesses to succeed. So that's why they will provide a cheap working space. So this is Urban Brief. This is an architect and a material scientist, I believe, working together here. You can see that one of them is an architect because no one else designed their lot this nice. Their philosophy is that in urban environments we don't provide nature enough space to grow and to blossom. You can see that they're doing actually something similar, 3D printing with materials that life wants to cling to, but for underneath the water. Because all over the world the coral reefs are dying, and these coral reefs are obviously important for local economies because they attract tourists.
My name is Frans, and I'm a guide from the EIC, which is an educational company on behalf of the Port Authorities of Rotterdam.